Hello friends, in our earlier sessions, we learned the basics of astrology. We discussed the basics of various houses and planets. Now, moving forward, we shall discuss the various zodiac signs or rashis. I, Manjushri, welcome you all to yet another interesting session on astrology where we share the divine knowledge of Vedic Jyotish. Today we shall be discussing the first sign of the zodiac, which is Aries. Aries is one of the first fiery signs among the three fire signs of the zodiac. The other two fire signs are Leo and Sagittarius. Together these three signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, form the Dharma triad in the natural zodiac. The tattva or element of Aries is fire. Friends, let us understand the Aries sign and get to know more about it. As per Vedas, Aries appears in the first house of the natural zodiac, also known as the Kalpurush Kundli. Therefore, Aries rules the head of the Kalpurush. It is a cardinal and a male sign. It is predominantly masculine in nature as the sign is ruled by Mars, which is a fiery planet. Mars is a planet of action, aggression, force, etc. It makes a person action-oriented, aggressive, impulsive, strong-willed, confident, independent, dominating, passionate, agile, extrovert, sharp, etc. When we look at the glyph of Aries, it looks like a seed sprouting, which indicates fire, force, initiation, passion, and zeal for growth. This signifies the initiation of the evolutionary stage of Aries, the beginning of the soul's journey, a brand new phase of growth, full of energy, wanting to experience the life. The symbol of Aries is a ram. Ram is a male bighorn sheep, animal that lives in the mountains and often settles its argument with fights that include ramming their heads in each other. They are very aggressive and possessive about their flock of sheep. You will find great similarity in the characteristics of a ram and the native of Aries. Native of this sign can be rash, reckless and impatient, like the ram. Aries being the first sign in the first house in the natural zodiac, that is the Kalpurush Kundli, it means it is the sign rising in the east during the birth of an individual. It is called the ascendant or lagna for that particular individual. What is the ascendant or lagna? Let us understand. The ascendant is your persona, which means how people see you, your character, your identity, personality perceived by others, your image publicly, what people see you as, your first impression, how you behave or interact with others is indicated by your ascendant. Each ascendant is unique. Let us try to find out the characteristics which an Aries ascendant person would possess. Aries ascendant person looks youthful. One looks much younger than his or her actual age, is very passionate, ambitious, goal-oriented, with strong leadership qualities, outgoing in nature, has a lot of energy, etc. All these qualities make Aries a rajasic sign, which is the guna of this sign. We have already discussed gunas in our earlier series. Friends, if you haven't watched that video, I would suggest you to please watch that video first, where I have explained in detail gunas. The slogan for Aries is I am. It is all about self. This can make one self-centered and selfish at times. Aries represents the fire element, also ruled by a fiery planet Mars. The person will follow his inspiration, intuition. The person will be determined, dynamic, forceful, egoistic, argumentative, dominating, highly opinionated, extremely courageous in nature. The fiery Aries and the planet Mars together gives the individual a fiery body constitution, which is called Pith. These people are prone to acidity, heartburns, heat-related issues in the body, etc. Now let us find out few more things about Aries. The direction associated with Aries is east direction. Nakshatras in Aries are Ashwini, Bharni, Kritika. First part of Kritika. We shall discuss nakshatras in detail in our forthcoming videos, so stay tuned. Now let us find out which planet exalts and debilitates in Aries and some more interesting facts. Planet that exalts in Aries is Sun, and the planet that debilitates in Aries is Saturn. Aries is the moon trigone sign of Mars. Jupiter and Mercury both get directional strength or Digbala in the sign of Aries. A lot is happening in the sign of Aries. Friends, planets are concentration of life force. They influence the sign they are placed in and also get influenced by the characteristics of the sign. Aries being a movable fiery sign, planets placed in this sign are bound to be influenced by it. Each planet radiates certain vibrations and makes an impact on the particular zodiacal field where they are placed in. Planets placed in Aries can make one more decisive, aggressive, assertive, quick in action, and tend to achieve their set goals. They make good public personalities, actors, sportsperson, etc. Planets like Sun, Jupiter and Mars are very comfortable in Aries, all three being fiery planets. As we all know, Sun gets exalted in Aries. Sun in the ascendant makes one royal. Moon in Aries tend to make a person quick in thinking, as Moon represents our mind, taking sudden decisions, quick in action, and leaving things quickly, which is the quality of Aries. The person is likely to change his decisions very frequently. The chart needs to be seen holistically. Mars in Aries can make the individual too aggressive, full of energy, etc. Jupiter and Mercury in Aries makes one highly sharp and intelligent. Venus in Aries can make one very, very passionate. Let us find out the careers best suited for Aries. Careers best suited are doctor, army officer, butchers, surgeons, chemists, wrestlers, boxers, carpenters, guards, etc. So friends, today we learned about the first zodiac sign, Aries. In our next segment, we shall discuss a feminine, earthy and a practical and the most fixed sign of the zodiac, that is Taurus. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and do share your comments. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Press the bell icon to be the first to see our videos as soon as they are posted. This is Manjushri signing off. Thank you for watching.